Hello class, this is going to be a quick little tutorial on how to find the opening prices for the commodities using the Wall Street Journal for this class for the extra credit every week. So what you need to do, and the simplest way that I do, is I start with just Googling WSJ for Wall Street Journal, then commodities. And then it pulls up this nice little Google search, and I click on this very first one, Commodities Wall Street Journal. And then once it loads, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to find what I'm looking for. Like, say, for example, I want to look up crude oil. So there's crude oil right there. So I can click on crude oil, and once I click on it, it is going to bring up, in a minute, it's still thinking, it's going to bring up this web page. And on this web page, there's crude oil, and then right down here it says the opening price. So that is the price that I want you to record right here every day. And then on here it also has some other information that might be kind of interesting for you. It has a timeline that you can look at, how much that price has changed in a day, the 5-day, 1 month, 3 month, year to date, 1 year, and then 3 years. So it kind of looks and gives you kind of an overview of what everything was happening. Shows you the current price right here, and then, but here is what I want you to record, is that opening price right there. So if we go back, then we can also say, well, we want to look up something like corn. So we click on corn, and then there's the opening prices for corn. Now if we look, we're not really seeing any of the live cattle down here or any of, say, coffee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on agriculture. And then once I click on agriculture, well, there's the coffee, and there is live cattle. And then also we can click on each individual one to show us that opening price. And if we want to, we can click back on energy and metals, and we can see there's our crude oil, there's our gold down there, and all of the other information that you need. I hope this little tutorial will help you in finding those opening prices every day for that extra credit.